Back here with another video, guys. This is Rod the Drawer, and today we are back on the wall, man. So yeah, we're finna just get into this cause we gotta make some progress on this wall, man, cause you know we just gotta make progress. So let's just get into it. So excited for this one. All right, let's go.
I can paint an image in an instant like a Polaroid picture. Make a mural out of noise and corduroys with no zipper. Push a porta potty over with a pig inside the pisser. Watch the red and blues flash and scream, you never gonna get me. It ain't that hard to outwit you. I spit an 8-bar, you spit a 16. Still outdid you, and you ain't ever gonna outdo me. I clown around, but you ain't ever gonna outdo me. Get out of town, I'm glory bound. That's the story with no edit. You corny, you pretty cute, but you're boring with no message. You're snoring, you don't get it, ain't dope, but don't fret it. Cause I'm doper than the dope, but you smoke with no stress. And eat a feast with no blessing. And finish in 4 seconds. Could be chillin' where it's -3. No cold sweat, no guessing and no asking for assurance. I'm a master of my craft, seeing the drafts of all my verses, man.
Well, that was a helicopter, but I couldn't get it because it's a train over there. But yeah, let's get back to this man.
We the top 10, UGK the major way, not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Hands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? Indies taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah, it's top 10. Hey, now I'm in blessed mode, did you forget, bro? Put G.O.D. first and nothing less, no. On a radar per release, per request, yo. Life is like a dice game, that's a bet, though. Is you bugging, that's a dub. Shoulder shrug to the stub. Tell them hit the squatty up. See a line of cars meet up. Nah, don't bother us. Windows fogging up. If she in a passenger, then you know she finest. Damn. It's really still a bros and my blood love. All is all love. AWD, I got a newer clutch. And my guapi up, you could call me up. Since you know the face and the name, it's just us. We the top 10, UGK the major way, not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Hands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? Indies taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah, it's top 10. Hey.
Yeah, I heard you knocking, but I am not here. Watch out for the company you keep, cause people mad weird. I will pull up on you and address it.
Guys, we are getting to a closure. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And come back for the next video. You know, guys, you know what to do. Peace.
In my own bubble like a Montclair. Count the money, making sure it's all.